Sixth question. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians and altitudes. Write your observation about their points of concurrence. Please all the students see here, isosceles triangle means all of you know that means two sides of the triangle are same. So here I am drawing the base side of 7 centimeter. Take the 6 centimeter distance. You can choose any distance. 6 centimeter distance. Yes, it is a 6 centimeter. And draw the arc from both the ends of the line. Now we got the intersection point. Join this point to the baseline. This is the isosceles triangle. No labels are given here, so you can choose any labels. Suppose A, B, C. Now see the question. Draw all of its medians. So we know that the length of each side, base side is 7 centimeter. So 3.5 is the midpoint. So join this point to the opposite vertex, that is A. Give the any label. Suppose this is M. So length of BM and CM is the same. Now length of AB is the 6 centimeter. So at the 3 centimeter is the midpoint. So join this midpoint to the opposite vertex, that is a C. This is the median. Give the label MN. This is the M, this is the N. Now the midpoint of AC is at the 3 centimeter because the length of AC is 6. Join this midpoint to the opposite vertex. Give the label MNL because O is the orthocenter, so we can't use this letter. Now we know that medians of a triangle are concurrent and it is denoted by G. So this is the G. Now draw the altitudes. Draw the altitude from the A. Yes, it is at the M. So here median and altitude are same. Now draw the altitude from the C. Yes, this is the altitude drawn from the C on the side AB. Give the label here P. Now draw the altitude from the B. Yes. Suppose this is Q. Now all three altitudes are passes through a single point and it is denoted by O. This is the orthocenter, this is the centroid. This is the required figure. Now see the question. Write your observation about their point of concurrence. See the centroid and orthocenter, they are lie on the same line and that line is nothing but the perpendicular drawn from the A. Correct? So write down the observation. the centroid G and the orthocenter O lie on the line which is the perpendicular bisector because it divides the baseline into two equal parts. Bisector of the base side BC. Understood?